I don't know. What made you to do a remix song?
Is remember that African Woman, the original version was released 2 years ago?
Yeah.
About 2 years ago, yeah. So there's something interesting about music. After some time, the song started picking, like from nowhere. And I wasn't on TikTok then. So someone actually tagged me on Instagram on, I think like 3 or 4 TikTok videos. And I was like, wait a minute, what's going on here? So I actually logged onto TikTok. I created an account and I just typed African Woman. I was like, whoa, what's going on here? And I found like, I think about 600 videos of people vibing to the song, Somalia, Ethiopia, and Eritrea. So we noticed like there's a lot of interest for the song in Somalia and Ethiopia. So I spent an entire day. I remember I told my management team, I said, guys, today we are going to look for artists from Somalia and Ethiopia. So we came across an artist called Lil Balil, also came across Suldaan Seeraar, and so we just started looking at which artist is doing really well, and we saw Suldaan Seeraar shows and performances, and he was like literally just filling all the auditoriums, and he picked up an award, and this and that. I was like, man, this guy is huge. So I asked a few friends from Somalia. They're like, dude, this is like Somalia's biggest artist. So we reached out to him and said, listen, there's this song, can you jump on it? And then they were just quiet for like a month. 1 month, no response, nothing. But you could see that they saw the message. I'm like, wait a minute, these guys, why are they like this? So I even forgot about it.
But he went quiet?
He went quiet. It's like, okay, wait a minute, what's going on? And then all of a sudden, we receive an email like, hey, Roberto, kindly send us the song. This guy is ready to record. I'm like, oh, okay. And fortunately, we were in studio, so we just sent the vocals. I think we sent the video, the song at about 16. By 02, vocals were in. I was like, whoa, these guys are swift, you know? And that was pretty much it. Before we realized it, word went round that I was working on a song with him, and that was pretty much it. Like, everybody in Somalia was just like, okay, we want to hear this song, want to hear this song, want to hear the song. So to be honest with you, the reason why we even we did the remix is because of the power of social media. TikTok in particular, and just what happened on Instagram, where people just started posting their videos and that sort of thing. And we thought, you know what, let's give it to them. Let's just give them a song. And here it is. So like we've been working behind the scenes, just putting a lot of things in place. And I gotta tell you, this guy's team is just simply exceptional. They're amazing guys, amazing individuals. It's been a blast just working with them, just corresponding with them. They are so interested in getting to know more about Zambia and everything that's